Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video we'll be showing you guys how to sign in into your Spotify's account. If you are having trouble with signing in into your Spotify's account, you are not alone. This issue is more common than you might think, but don't worry, I'll be showing you guys how to do it quickly. Go ahead and open your Spotify's app. Just click on add account and sign up for free, and now you can continue with email, Google or Apple. Now just let's say Apple. Now it will require your face ID or password. Now after scanning is done, you will be signed in into your old account, or if you do not have an account, you could have simply just created an account, and that's it. This is how you can simply sign up in your Spotify's account. I hope this video helped you guys get back your Spotify account. You can also switch between two accounts once you will have access to two accounts. I hope this video helped you guys sign in into your Spotify's account. If you did, let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.